Hello and welcome to this video. My name's Beckham and I won't be keeping you very long. My aim here is to give you just a short, broad brush idea of what this site offers. My two main areas of expertise is the creation of top quality images and the presentation of them. I've had many years of experience doing this and it remains my passion. I use Flickr galleries to post my images because it's quick and easy to post and they're very well presented on that platform. I also like the way the viewers can check out the camera and exposure settings used and make a comment if they feel inclined to. If you're watching on YouTube, I'll link to my galleries below. If you're viewing this on my website, my galleries are linked just above in the main menu. A photographer's images are his or her CV, so it's a place for you to have a look first, right? Another place where you'll see my images is via my audio-visual presentations. Once again, I'll link that below. I mostly use Photoshop, Adobe Camera Raw and PTE-AV-Studio presentation software. They are the core programs I use, but I'm sure you'll know that Adobe Camera Raw and Lightroom are so very much the same that the techniques used in one can easily be swapped to the other. I post video tutorials on this site which can be viewed here or they can be viewed on YouTube. You can also download them from the website if you need the convenience of a video on your desktop, and sometimes we do. I also try and make my videos a little more than a simple step-by-step set of instructions. Where it's possible, I'll try to inspire a little too. So if producing top quality images that will stand out from the crowd interests you, then I'm pretty certain I have some videos you may like. Why not come along to our photographic and audio-visual forum where you can ask questions, make suggestions for future videos, or just mix with others who share your photographic passion. It's completely free to join. If you're viewing on YouTube, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you hit that notification bell, then you'll know whenever I post a new video. My images and videos are made for pleasure, and I'm not supported in any way by YouTube or any other company. But if my videos have been of help to you and you felt able to offer a small donation, then I would be very grateful.